Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jordanah, and today I've got another hair video for you guys. I want to give a big shout out to Yolissa hair for sending me this beautiful body wave wig. The wig is 26 inches. It's a 13x4 lace frontal and it is 200% density, so the thickness, the volume, the curls, obviously make sure you check them out. All the details will be in the description box down below. I also want to give a big shout out to Dynasty Luxe Lounge for installing this wig. Oh my god, she did my Jamaica hair. If you guys have not seen my Jamaica vlog, I don't know what you're doing. So make sure you check her out, follow her, support her. So yeah, I'm gonna do a quick little talk through on the process of the wig installation. I don't want to speak too much, so I will be adding music to a majority of these clips. And guys, this lace, I didn't have to pluck this frontal one bit. So this is the natural hairline and it's amazing. So yeah, Yolissa hair did send me a band and I actually forgot to put it on. Yeah, but during the video we do end up wearing it. So for this video we chose a different style. I mean, I could have just done the normal middle part, generic, whatever, but I've never done a zigzag part. Look how sharp it is. I actually loved it. I even took a few pictures on my Instagram. I was not disappointed with this look one bit.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be down.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. Is my secret safe?
This hair originally came body wave, and on my head right now it probably looks straight, but when I bleached the knots and, you know, added water, it kind of turned straight. So obviously you just need to recurl it. It's the curls for me. And she made it look so easy.
Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind alive?
Your girl actually suits curly hair.
Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long.
My favorite bit, the baby hairs. Come on, you guys can't tell me you don't get excited when people then be doing the baby hairs on your head top. Allow it. So obviously She's shaping the baby hairs, curling it. And yeah, I do need to actually get my hands on that little mini curler because it changes the game.
We gotta keep it on below. Got a hunger, she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you?
I was doing slow-mo all throughout this video, so I'm sorry. Let me just apologize in advance. I don't know what I'm apologizing for because yeah.
Look in my eyes. We both know it's but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows strong. Can't leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send a Uber.
Once again, thank you so much to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring this video and also sending me this beautiful body wave hair. Check out the details in the description box down below because I might have a discount code. I don't know yet. Just check it out.
Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still calm.
So guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new, and if you're not new, welcome to the family. Just a normal hair video. And also check out Dynasty Luxe Lounge once again. But thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Are you coming?